Hey guys, it's Kaylee here and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I've watched Simply Nailogical for about 8 years. Growing up, my favorite video was this highlighter nails video. I always thought the idea was so unique and creative, but I never got to try it out. I just never had those liquid highlighters. But today, I'm going to do what me from 7 years ago always wanted to do. Recreate these Simply highlighter nails.
I'm applying a peel off face coat because anytime you wear glitter, you're gonna want to peel it off. First, because it's annoying to take off otherwise, and second, because it's really satisfying to peel it off.
Agreed. I'm starting off with Peely Base from Glossy Taco. Next, we're applying glitter. Now, she used the sponge method to get the most out of her glitter. I'm using Rainbow Snow, which is a pretty full coverage glitter, and mine's a bit old, so it's getting kind of thick. So I decided to paint my glitter on regularly. I went searching and I finally found the liquid highlighters, which from her experiment results are the best highlighters to use for this. And now I'm just gonna scribble all over my nails with a highlighter. And I made sure to follow her advice.
Just make sure when you're doing this that you apply light pressure with your highlighter tip and don't stab it into your nail. I did that on my other finger and this is what happened.
Because I'm using a base that has some larger sized glitters, it made the nails rough and difficult to smoothly highlight over. I just worked with light pressure and did a couple layers. The nice thing about using highlighters is that you can just clean up with water instead of acetone. And I'll just let Simply explain this final part.
When you're satisfied with your colors, add a glossy top coat and now everyone at school gon' be jelly of you. Wow, so beautiful and hollow and rainbow.
Now of course I'm using a Glossy Taco from Glossy Taco. This is Super Glossy Taco. Little me from middle school would be so happy right now, knowing that I finally did these nails. I hope you have an excellent day, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.